Hello everybody, welcome back to the Pay the Poolman YouTube channel. Today we're going to be taking a deeper look into the QuickBooks Sync importer. Let's go ahead and go over to Settings and then scroll down here to QuickBooks and click QuickBooks Online, which is going to take you to log into your QuickBooks Online account. And once you've done that, you can go ahead and use this page to sync all your information from QuickBooks over into Pay the Poolman. So the first thing we're going to do is import the customers from QuickBooks. By clicking this, it's going to show up all of your customers right here. If you'd like to just put a blanket fee for all of your customers, go ahead and click this drop-down menu, and this will automatically apply the amount that you charge for your pool service to every single one of your customers. This kind of saves some time, and then if you want, you can go through and adjust each person's individual service, but this kind of saves a little bit of time. You can also copy and paste from up here the code based off of the time of month that you send out your invoices. So if you send out your invoices for the previous month, you can copy this one. If you send out invoices for the current month, or if you send out invoices ahead of time for the next month. So you can go ahead and copy that code and paste it right down here into item description, and that will work when you send out your billing. Here we have the ability to edit any information about the customer, and once you verify that all this information is correct, set up their auto billing, their item price, you can set up what billing list they're on, and then their billing method, and then if they have a gate code, go ahead and put that in there. You'll click Save Import, and then once all of your customers have been looked at, you can go ahead and click here after the import is complete, and it's going to take you back here. After that, you're going to go ahead and import your items from QuickBooks. So this is going to give you the income items that you've created from QuickBooks. You can edit these, add a description here, and the item price, and then click Save Import. And then when you're finished, click here after the import is complete. And then last but not least, you will import your bank from QuickBooks. So you'll click that, and it's going to sync your banks to Pay the Poolman. Now, after all this is done, this means that now Pay the Poolman has become the main hub for all of your information, where it's all stored, edited, added. So when you want to add another customer, you'd add it here and not in QuickBooks. But if you'd like to export your data from Pay the Poolman into QuickBooks, let's say you want to run a report over in QuickBooks, not Pay the Poolman, you're going to go ahead and click Sync Customers or Sync Income Items, and that is going to sync them out of Pay the Poolman into QuickBooks. And that's going to be all for this video. Thanks for watching. We are committed to giving business owners back their personal lives through our highly efficient professional software and our caring support team. So go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video.